This is a summary of the food studies topic, Macronutrients, Carbohydrates. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content of this course topic. Carbohydrates can be divided into sugars and starches, with sugars found in fruits, vegetables, and milk, and starches found in cereals, pulses, and vegetables. Carbohydrates are essential for providing energy, as they are converted into glucose by the digestive system and used for various bodily functions. Despite a decrease in energy intake, obesity has risen due to reduced exercise. Starchy foods are the main source of energy, with wholemeal bread being a healthier option. The main sources of carbohydrates in the UK include cereal products, fruits and vegetables, and savoury foods, with cereal products being the best source of complex carbohydrates. Sugar is derived from sugar beet or sugar cane and is used as a source of energy in various cooking and baking processes. Different types of sugar include extrinsic sugars, added to many foods, non-milk extrinsic sugars, table sugar, and intrinsic sugars, found in unprocessed foods like fruit and vegetables. Monosaccharides like glucose and fructose are found in fruits and vegetables, while disaccharides like sucrose, lactose, and maltose are found in table sugar, milk, and malt products. Complex carbohydrates are better than simple sugars because they provide satiety, contain other nutrients, maintain stable blood sugar levels, and promote a healthy digestive system. Starch, a complex carbohydrate found in cereals, bread, pasta, and root vegetables, is a main source of energy and provides a sustained release of energy during digestion. Dietary fiber, a non-digestible carbohydrate found in plant foods, is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can be found in cereals, fruits, and vegetables.